Yung health insurance ko po ba magbe-benefit or magagamit ko din if yung family member ko ang may kailangan? Tinatanong ni Maria. It doesn't work that way. Usually, yung mga health insurance per individual, per life, meron siya. So, di ba, kunyari, kahit health card yan, kinukuhanan mo yung dependent mo, may sariling card din sila. So, kapag naman health insurance yan, like let's say critical illness insurance, let's say yung best seller namin na AIA Critical Protect 100, 'di ba? Critical illness coverage siya up to age 100. Pwede yung minor diyan, age 0 hanggang age 65 pwedeng kumuha. Pero per life siya. Kung ikaw yung breadwinner, ikaw yung parent, kukuhanan mo yung sarili mo lang, something happens to your spouse, something happens to your parents, something happens to your kids, hindi mo maipapasa yung coverage ng health insurance, especially kung critical illness coverage yan, hindi mo ipapasa yung benefits. It doesn't work that way. Hindi siya parang, let's say, St. Peter. Di ba sa St. Peter, sa mga memorial plans in general, so, hindi to paid advertisement ng St. Peter. So, di ba sa mga memorial plans, dito, let's say ako, bumili ako, and then one of my parents, nung kinailangan, for example, my dad died last year, um, yun. So, yung akin, ginamit. Pwedeng gamitin muna sa kanya and then bili na lang ulit ako for myself. It doesn't work that way. Health insurance doesn't work that way. Ina-underwrite tayo per life. Habang nag apply tayo, especially sa critical illness coverage, before aprubahan, dadaan sa underwriting if healthy or if yun nga, insurable pa ba. Ganun ang health insurance and life insurance. It's not transferable. So kapag ikaw, inaprubahan ka, ibig sabihin healthy ka, insurable ka, ikaw yung covered. Yun lang, syempre, let's say if you're the breadwinner of your family, dapat kuhaan mo lahat. You, your spouse, your kids, bawat isa. Kahit, di ba, ang mga bata, hindi kailangan ng life insurance pa, pero kailangan ng health insurance kasi we'll never know. Hindi natin alam anong age pwedeng magkasakit. Oh, healthy pa man tayo, bata pa naman tayo, pero we don't know. Sa panahon ngayon, ang dami ng bata nagkakasakit. So, habang bata, habang healthy, na malaki yung chance ma-approve, habang mura, kasi habang bata mura, kumuha na. Kumuha na isa-isa. Kuhaan ang bawat isa sa family, mag-allot ng budget dyan. Kasi nga, hindi siya transferable. Hindi siya naililipat. Kung ikaw lang ang meron, ikaw lang ang mako-cover. So, may mga products na, let's say, yung term insurance namin na Joint Critical Protect, AJCP, Active Joint Critical Protect. So, dalawa kayong pwedeng ma-insure. Kunyari, me and my wife, meron kaming ganung plan. Pero, whichever comes first and whoever comes first lang yun. Pag nagamit ng isa, whether death or critical illness claim, terminated na yung plan. So, kumbaga, medyo matipid lang siya kasi limited yung budget, pero pwede rin yun. Alright, so again, per life. Kung sino yung nasa contract, siya lang yung covered. Hindi po transferable ang health insurance. I hope this helps.